Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily assign an app launch to your key assignments on M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to M65 RGB Ultra in our iCUE. We're going to go to key assignments. Here, click on the plus button in assignments. We're going to select launch app. And now we choose a button. So I'll choose, for example, the sniper button. Here we can choose something to open, so I'll choose a web browser. I'm gonna keep it at, say, Google Chrome. You can choose from 4 options here because Firefox is twice. It automatically detects the browsers on your PC, so you shouldn't be worried. I'll choose google.com as my main domain. Now we're gonna press the sniper button, and as you guys can see, it'll ask who will be using the Chrome. So now, after we clicked it, we have the google.com and it's opening up. So that's how it's basically working, and it works. So that's how you guys can launch an app from your from your mouse. So that will be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.